In this one, we'll see how you can integrate your Ruttl account with Trello. Click on the integration booster, select Trello, scroll down and allow the permissions, and you'll get a confirmation that your Trello account has been integrated successfully. Now you can go back to any of your projects. Inside a web page, you can click on any comment, click on the menu over here, click on Send to Trello. Now you'll have to select a Trello board, in that a Trello list, and you'll get a confirmation that your comment has been added to Trello. The same can also be done for edits. So for example, you need to click on the menu here, click on Send to Trello, select from the list of boards, select the list, and your edit will be added to Trello. That's it. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next one.